First, make a slip knot. Make a chain and make sure it's an odd number. For me, I'll chain 29. Then we're gonna chain 3 more. Make a double crochet in the 5th stitch from the hook. To make a double crochet, we're gonna first yarn over, insert hook into the stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through 2. And yarn over again, pull through 2. In the next stitch, make 1 more double crochet. Yarn over, insert, pull through 2, and pull through 2. We're gonna go ahead and put 1 double crochet into every stitch of this chain. I'm gonna show you a few more times so I get familiar with the stitch. Finish your last double crochet. That's row 1, 29 double crochets. Row 2, chain 3 and turn. The chain 3 counts as the first double crochet for this row. Next, we're gonna make a front post double crochet. Yarn over, prepare for a double crochet. For a regular double crochet, we go under the top loops. For a front post double crochet, we work around the post. This is the post of the stitch. We're gonna go around the back like this. Then pull through around the post. Work our double crochet normally. Then work a regular double crochet in the next stitch. Then a front post, then a regular. So we're just gonna keep alternating between a regular double crochet and a front post double crochet. There's a chain 3 at the end of this row. Work a regular double crochet in the top stitch. That completes row 2. Row 3, chain 3 as the first double crochet. Yarn over, prepare for a double crochet. This time we're gonna make a back post double crochet. We're still gonna work around the post, but from the back to the front and to the back again. Pull through around the post. Finish the double crochet as usual. Then work a regular double crochet in the next stitch. Then a back post double crochet again. Then a regular one. So for this row, alternate between a regular double crochet and a back post double crochet. Next row, chain 3 as the first double crochet. Then start with the front post double crochet. From this point, it should be easier to work a front post double crochet. Just like row 2, we're going to work front post double crochet and regular double crochet alternately. Finish this row with a regular double crochet. And chain 3 to start the next row. Work this row like row 3, a back post double crochet and a regular double crochet. So this is the right side of the piece. And that's the wrong side. Keep repeating row 2 and 3 until it's long enough to wrap around your body when stretched. I'll make it around 30-inch long. That's enough for me. Then fasten off, weave in the ends. For the strap, I'll make a chain around 60 centimeters. Find the front post double crochet, pull the strap through around the back,